Here's a nice freedom flow so we can find peace and freedom from within, and of course feel better so we can be better and do better. Crawl on down to the ground here as easy as you can. Find yourself onto all fours here and really let yourself move how it feels actually good, actually nice for you. Roll around a bit here. Hang out in any of those places that feel like they could use a little bit of extra care or a lot of extra care. Tuck your toes from your middle, lift up and back toward a nice down dog. Heels reaching down toward the ground, but no end points, no straight lines necessary here. Crawl out toward a nice plank pose, long wave, and adjust your hands and your feet so you're comfortable and stable. Rock a little bit side to side, roll yourself over toward a nice side plank here. Open up, big stretch. All the way back toward your middle, other side. Big inhale, stretch open. All the way back here toward your middle plank. Settle in. Soften your knees down toward the ground and sink your hips gently. Little roll a bit here, side to side. Hang out in any of those places that are simply calling for your attention. Draw your shoulders down your back, open up. Tuck your toes, lift up and back toward your down dog. Settling here. Crawl up toward the top of your space there. Really lean to the side. So belly, foot in a hand, belly, foot in a hand. So you're feeling a nice release all through the back of you. Round up toward standing here. Crawl up yourself so there's no dizzy surprise. Big inhale, reach up. Easy. Relax down. Big inhale, reach up. Easy, all the way up and over your legs here. Crawl toward your right side. Slide your left leg way back. Nice low lunge. Walk your hands back a bit here so you're nice and stable. Soften that back knee down toward the ground. Notice what's going on with you. Lean left. Big inhale. Pull your right side up for a twist. Back toward your middle, lean right, big inhale, pull that whole left side up. All the way back here toward your middle. Crawl toward that left side, that open side, so much that top leg slides back around, back onto all fours, simply. Tuck your toes, lift up and back toward that down dog. Crawl back up toward the top of your space there, belly, foot in a hand, always moving into a bigger space. Round yourself up towards standing, crawl up yourself. Big inhale, reach up. Easy, up and over there, crawl down yourself. Lean left, slide that right leg way back here, low lunge. Walk your hands back, get in a great body position so your breath, so your everything can work for you. Lean right, big inhale, pull that left side up for a twist. Back to your middle, lean left, roll everything open. All the way back here toward your middle. Crawl toward that open side so much that top leg just slides back around. Finding all fours here gently. Tuck your toes, lift up and back toward your down dog. Settle everything in, easy. Crawl back out toward a nice plank pose, long wave. Always adjust your hands and feet so you're comfortable and stable. A little challenge is good, but you don't want to suffer for no usable reason. Rock yourself here, a little side to side or forward and back. Nothing rigid at all. Soften your knees down, sink your hips, roll around here a little bit side to side. Draw your shoulders down your back, big inhale, open up. Keeping your knees on the ground, shift up and back, tuck your toes, lift up, down dog from your middle, pulling up, settling here. Crawl back out toward that plank pose, nice long wave. Soften your knees down, sink your hips, easy. Roll around a bit here. Draw your shoulders down your back, open up. Keeping your knees on the ground, shift up and back. Find an easy place to sit here, maybe on your heels or on your hips, however is actually comfortable for you. Simply be here with yourself. Yourself soften, relax enough here so your breath can literally move through you and pull you gently like a wave. Big inhales filling you up and back. exhales, gently rushing into shore. Real simple and easy. When we soften, we can notice our breath moving us. We can notice our breath can fuel us. Things become easier, more calm, more free. When you're ready, gently crawl yourself up to stand, easy, keeping your practice going with you wherever you are. And have a beautiful, peaceful, and free day.